Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim basic tutorial how to split a surface. So as a sample I will create line in here. Okay, you can click start from the origin point into here. The next click and sketch editing. Now we can use the pull tools to convert into plane. And if you want to split these objects, you can use the split tools, click, and we can split by edge or you can split by select target. So I will use this option. You can click in this face and you can choose the option. I will use this option. Now you can see we have these points to split the surface. Like I will move to the top here and I will click, it will be automatically split into two surface. Okay, you can split again, so you can click these tools, select the face, and then select again the split option. I will use this option again, and I will split from the center point. It will be split into 4 faces. You can press enter to apply, or you can click the select tools to close. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to split a surface. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.